So today we are discussing the plant tissue culture, introduction to plant tissue culture and their applications. So it is a third year, final year or sixth sem plant biotechnology and tissue culture electives. So it is the introduction to the plant tissue culture and their what is the means of the tissue culture, what are the importance of role of tissue culture. So this is also contents which studies introduction tissue culture, Murashage and school media, milestones in plant tissue culture, advantages and disadvantages, types of tissue culture, choice of explant techniques, regeneration pathways applications. So here root culture recognized of tissue culture facilities. So application of tissue culture and conclusions. So it is have two type of a choice of expansion and also called applications are there. Regeneration pathways and application. Regeneration means direct regeneration, also indirect regeneration. The direct regeneration which induced the BAP and IAA, but indirect regeneration induced by the auxins. So 2,4-D and NEA, IBA, IPA, so which are always callus formation. The callus is transferred into the shifting into the other media, so which helps to the direct or indirect regeneration or indirect tissues formation. So this is what is a conservation of medicinal plants DLC with a controlled utilization of official supervision in order to preserve or protect them. Conservation is the important process. Why conservation? The plants are conserved. The number of the plant species are year to year increases. So olden species and endangered species are present days degeneration or disappears. So this disappears characters is which can affect to the in future the less number of the plants formation. So the conservation of medicinal plants which important role for the pharmaceutical industries and also Ayurveda medicine and Ayush. According to the World Health Organization, as many as 80% of the world population depends on traditional herbal medicines. 80% of plants depends on the herbal medicine. Herbal means medicinal. This medicinal plants which involves into the curing of several diseases in human beings and also animals or cultivated animals like cow, buffalo, ox, and also goat. So then cattle. So their primary health care. Today many medicinal plants face extinction of the serve so genetic loss. So tissue culture is one of the many techniques biotechnology which can be used by the conservation of such medicinal plants. Only tissue culture process are present is it can be important role for the conservation of the medicinal plants. Also called ornamental plants. Also called industrial yielding plants, spices, several types. So all types of the medicinal plants are conserved with the help of the technique is the tissue culture. The tissue culture is a one except or one aspect of biotechnology. The biotechnology have two type of aspects. First one tissue culture, second is genetic engineering. So these two type of the techniques must be improvement of the plant production. So this is so what is the means of inter? The tissue culture denotes the in vitro cultivation of plant cells and a unorganized example callus culture. So another term, the cell as a culture series in vitro culture of a single cell or a multiple cells are which can go under the nutrient medium, aseptic conditions which can go which able to grow to the complete plant. So that is also called a tissue culture ability. Also this one second one, the tissue culture is a commonly used as a very wide sense to include in vitro culture of plant cells, tissues as well as organs. The tissue culture denotes the in vitro cultivation of plant cells and unorganized mass of example callus culture. So this is also one important character of the tissue culture. The tissue culture milestones means history of a tissue culture. So 1902 Haberland proposed the concept of the in vitro cell culture. First time 1902 was a he was regarded as the father of tissue culture. That is Haberland. The second one 1922. So Kotle so Kolte and Rabin successfully cultured root stem or tips especially are respectively. Root tip culture and shoot tip culture is the first conducted in the Kotle and Robbins 1922. 1926 went to discover the first plant growth hormones are indolesic acid IA. Went discovered the first IA reported. So 1941 Overbeek was the first to add the coconut milk for cell division in the Dura. The artificial nutrients and nature nutrients both are which responsible to the growth of expansion under the tissue culture experiment. So Overbeek was the first to add coconut milk. The coconut milk is so nature. It can having a cytokinin hormones. The cytokinin which can help to the cell division of during the cells in vitro cultivation. So 1955, so Skoog and Miller discovered the kinetin as cell division hormones. Kinetin and also cell divisions are reported in a Skoog and Miller. The Skoog and Miller also gives a concept of hormonal control and organ function. Hormone control and function is expired 1957. So the two times are reporting the Suvan Miller 1955 1957. The 1960 Kanta and Maheshwari developed a tube fertilization techniques. In vitro fertilization in test tubes by Indian scientist are Maheshwari 1960. 1962 Morash UNESCO who is a developed the MS medium. Morash school medium, it is a tissue culture medium first type. It is a universally accepted medium. All persons and all tissue culturists, which is used to the MS medium composition of nutrients in tissue culture. So the 1974. So rainbow tint it is also induced by the bacteriophage or bacterioorganisms. So in the plants. So 1977. So Clinton et al. Successfully integrated a plasmid DNA. Plasmid tumor-induced plasmid DNA agrobacterial luminescence. 1978 Melker et al. Carried out some hybridization tomato potato resulting of potatoes. So 1981, so the Larkin and squat is introduced to the so the term of the somoclonal variation. Somoclonal means somatic cells which induce to the different type of the variations of this. 205 rice genome sequencing under international rice genome sequence. So this is also milestone of a tissue culture. So this is also what is a means of the background. The first commercial use of a plant clonal propagation, and it was a germination and growth of the orchid plants 1920s. Orchids means gardening plants which are attractive and it can be cultivated in the first time of in vitro by in the 1920 years. So in the 1950 to 1960 there was a great deals research, but it was after development of the release of artificial media Morash and school media. 1962 was a complete minerals and micro and macro elements of consisting medias. So this is also one important. The pioneers of plant tissue culture, that so Gatla Haberland, so Philippines, and also Ragar Gautlet, so and also called Novgorod and the folk songs and Tashik Maheshwari or Morash school. So the what do we means of tissue culture? The tissue culture is a plant tissues cultures is a collection of techniques used in maintaining a new plant cells. So there, the tissues are organs under several and under sterile conditions. So under nutrition culture, so medium of a known by compositions. So the tissue culture is a which is also recent technology or innovative technology which can be grown on nutrient medium under the aseptic condition to complete whole plant or indirect plant or direct plants or formation. So the tissue culture is a commonly used as a broad term to describe all type of the plant culture, namely culture cell, protoplast, anther, meristem, embryo, and organ culture. So every part under leaf, shoot tip, node, internode, and also got anther, protoplast, meristem, embryo, anyone which can be grown on nutrient medium under the aseptic condition to develop a complete organisms. History of tissue. So the in history techniques were developed initially to demonstrate the totipotence of plant cells predicted by the Gottlieb Heiberlein in 1992. And the totipotency means it is a ability of a plant cell to perform a cell the function of a development which are characterized by zygote, which are development of the completely new organism formation. The zygote like structure, the somatic cell, which also converted into the new plant under the aseptic conditions and the nutrient medium. So this is also Gottlieb Eberlein, pioneer of plant tissue culture. So Murashi and school media and important plant growth also. This both are called Murashi and school. Murashi is also called a father or teacher. School is also student. Both are reporting the new technology medium, which is also tissue culture medium. So plant tissue culture terminology. How many terms which must use to the explained? Explains means inoculated, sterilely explained. Leaf parts is called explained. Hormones means so these hormones are which affect to the growth and development of the plant tissues are explains in the tissue culture media. So then so internode means the space between the two nodes is called internodes. Media means the plural of medium. Medium means a nutrient solution. A nutrient solution, solid or liquid, for a culturing cells. So micropropagation means so this is so micropropagation is also last one. Micro means small. Organization means propagations. So the small leaf expands under which can be used to under the septic condition to develop a complete plant. That so several number of the plants are which can be used to the improvement of the plant's productivity. That is called propagation technology. Plant tissue culture. So the growth of the maintenance of the plant cells, tissues, organs are whole plant in water. In vitro, the whole plant means so this is also leaf. A part of the leaf is inoculated. It can after develop into the whole plant of that leaf. Regeneration means in plant culture. So a morphogenetic reporter, a morphogenic response to a stimulate that results in the products of organs in place of which plants. So monoclonal means plants derived from any form of cell culture involved the usual use of a somatic plant cells. So this is also terminology, basic methodology of a first one is preparation of the suitable nutritive medium. Second one, selection of the excipient. Third one, sterilization of the excipient. Fourth one, so inoculation of the excipient. So the fifth one, incubation. Sixth one, regeneration. Seventh one, hardening. So eighth one is a plant transfer. So this is also total technology for plant tissue culture. So that without any one techniques are not followed, the plants are never developing new organisms or new plant cultivation. So this is also it is a one type of the methods for the detailed structure of the methodology. So the techniques of in vitro culture of the plant cells are organisms. So keep the plant cell from from microbes, suitable nutrient medium, and enzymatic conditions. So these three conditions are most important for tissue culture techniques. So general techniques, so that the techniques of in vitro cultivation of plant cells are generic and generic. First one is keep that plants are generic. Second one is also called a suitable nutrient medium. So third is the environmental condition. The three major aspects which can successfully cultivated in vitro culture, in vitro condition to give this a complete organ present. So this is also one type of the technique. Then laboratory space. So what is the means of laboratory? The laboratory is also big size, which in general is space for the following is so required. Washing, drying, and storage of vessels. Storage of vessels separately. So also called dashing chambers. So driving, which can be used to the driving process. So this is also the washing, dyeing, and storage of vessels. So preparation of the sterilization of a and sterilization and storage of the mildew, storage of the media. So then the third one is another separate media. The fourth one is also got a Washington, the center part of the media, which can be fit or both of the plants. The infrastructure of the laboratory space. Laboratory space is also big size. In general, space for the following is a washing, drying, and storage vessels. So the scientists aseptic handles of experience. So also called maintenance of the culture. So this is also hot over. So red color is also called a pH meter digital. Mm. The next one is also called this is also scanning and also autoclave. So this is also different autoclave and laminar air flow. So this is also different type of the plants which can be culture room. So the culture room should have the following facilities: control temperature, the culture vessels, the culture racks. So that is so important for the so this year. Culture vessels and other laboratory are generally soaked in a suitable media which also deoxygenate solutions. Organelles are high, so then washed with a suitable brush, so thoroughly rinsed clean with tap water, followed by a rinse with a distilled water. So washed culture vessels should be stored at the high pressures. So this is also very important parts of the sterilizations. So nutrient medium. So this one nutrient medium is also medium depends on upon the type of plant tissue culture. The second one is also called a generally nutrient consists of. Third one inorganic is also both micro and microorganisms. So the fifth one is also a carbon sources generally, which is also important. So then the next point is the vitamins and examples are nicotinic acid, amino acids. So growth regulators BAP, IAA, APA, 24D and 24D. So which is also called all is also all things. All things and cytokines are all responsible for the improvement of the vitamin examples are amino acids are growth regulator exams and optimum pH 5.7 to 5.8. So this is also more 5.8, less 5.7 do not respond. That takes place. It is a Murashescu medium composition. First you take that ammonium nitrate, potassium nitrate, So calcium chloride and magnesium sulfate, so potassium dihydrogen phosphate. So then the next point is so this is also one important character features of the women's carriage. Vitamins for the optimum callus growth, the following vitamins are required: inositol B8, thiamine B1, pyridoxine B6, and nicotinic acid B3, of which thiamine is essential and the rest are primary. So, pantothenic acid is also known to be protometry. So, this is also called vitamins. Carbon sources. The sucrose and 22 to 25 grams per liter, which is a sufficient growth of plant development. Autoclaving hydrolysis, sucrose, so enhanced particular available in plants. In some systems, as in monocot, glucose may be superior than the sucrose. The glucose does not use in tissue culture media, only some purpose. Then the sucrose is best purpose or best usable substance, which can be easily identified the new type of a idea or research. So this is also a different type of a phytohormones. What is the first phytohormones in the cytokinins? First one. So means the first so this is also called IA, IBA, and NEA 245D, 245D. So this is also one type of oxygens. IA, oxygens are all there. So then the gibberellins, also called cytokines, BAP, so kinetin, 2PA, and DPN, and also called other type of the sources of gibberellins. So the complete organic attractive complete of the yeast extract, coconut milk, casein nitrate, or corn milk, or malt extract, and so the tissue culture media preparation, these figures. So all the scientists who are tissue culture media preparation with the help of the but our silver sterilization. All the materials used in a tissue culture work so must be freed from the microbes or remove a microorganism from which equipment is when we use it into the tissue culture laboratory. So this is done by the outside of the following area. So first you go to the surface. Then sterilization. All the materials used for culture so with the must be followed by followed by the microbes. So this is also important to do for the diet autoclave filter sterilization will ping with 70% ethanol to service situation. Autoclave, the culture will serve both empty. First you empty, it can be autoclaved. After empty, the poured into the tissue culture media, which is also equality of all test tubes. So all test tubes are which can be autoclaved with 121 degrees centigrade at 15 pounds per square inches for 15 to 40 minutes. So the time being longer for larger medium volumes. The medium value depends on the medium values so to autoclaving of expanse leaf. So these are the sterilization in autoclaved of expanse. So this one is technicals. So the peri under a respective conditions. So in the under a HEPA following. So this is also first one is also is a state stabilization of expanse. Expanse are an, an, and placed over solid liquid medium. So probably the effect. of a of the effect of the small IB. So cultures growing cultures are which is important. The plant cells and types of important the type techniques. So the types of the plant tissue culture experiment. So which experiment is the most more response seed culture first. Seed culture opposite is also called embryo culture, and the embryos are present in the seed. When the seed culture is takes place, only single seed inactivated in the test tubes, not more than one substrate. So also second one is also called a meristem culture. So prime protoplast, culture and organ cultures. So epidemiology, cell membrane and cosmetics. This is also kinase medium. This is also figure for the important words, observation of a daily degrees in the countries. Surface tillation. All plant materials to be used in culture are treated with the appropriate tillation agents. The tillation agents is also must use to the cleaning of experiments and inactive the microbes who present on either surface. So this is also called a surface tillation. Inactive means it cannot prepare the one job into the other job. It depends mainly on the source and type of tissues of explant, which will determine and the conditions. So load inaccurate the so the sterilization agents used for a surface sterilization or surface distillation, calcium hypochlorite 9 to 10 percentage, sodium hypochlorite 2 percentage, mercury chloride 0.1, silver nitrate 8 percentage, bioreactor 2 percentage. So this is also one type of experiment which can be studied. Silver nitrate, bromine water and antibiotics. So this is also distillation. So the distillation means which is a preparation of the proliferation of the experiments. So this is also our college students are which conducting the tissue culture medium that medium is a Murashian school scientist preparation of the media. So this is the same. The stages of plant tissue culture. So which stages are there? So then first you plant, it can cut it into the suitable leaf expanse. So this leaf expanse are thoroughly cleaned in the distilled water, removing the filaments, culture the liquid medium. The liquid medium is also important for the nutrient storage. Nutrient This was the stages of the plant tissue culture. So you can the selection of the anthers, two more of anthers. So this selection of the plant, preparation of the excipient, incubations. After incubations, so this one leaf, the leaf expand cut into small pieces. The leaf, that piece is introduced or inactivated into the tissue culture media. It can have a development of a large number of the plants within few weeks. So application of the biotechnology or the application of the tissue culture. So what is the means of application? Seed culture, first step. The seed is increasing efficiency of germination of a seeds so that are a difficulty to treat it is. So second one is a procedure made by embryo culture, overcoming embryos or abortion due to the incapability experience. So overcoming seed dormancy and self dormancy. First you that what are the precautions, precautions and इधर ही लगा इधर ही Overcoming embryo abortion due to the incompatibility varies. So overcoming C dormancy, so which is associated with it. Then ori are a wool culture, production of upright plants. The upright plants is also half number of the chromosomes. So both are morphologically and physiologically are sexually is also different to each other. So a common explained for the limitation of a somatic embryogenic culture. So overcoming abortion of embryos. Embryos are wide, custable is a very hard consequent. So the production of the upright plants. So anthers, ovule, ovary, and also called anthers. This is also important. Four parts which can go on to overcoming abortion. Embryos have a wide hybrids at a very early stages of development. So does the incompatibility varies. So this is also one important character. Human beings has carry. The overcoming abortion embryos have wide regard hybrids. So it is a very early stages of development. The incompatibility. So next, anthine microspore production of upright plants, the production of homozygous diploid lines. So through chromosomes doubling thus regarding the time required to produce a so urban lines. So uncovered mutations are reserved phenotypes. So anther and microspore both are the same type. So male gametangel or male gametes are filaments also called stamens. On the terminal side of the stamens, four bag-like structures are present. That is called a monothecous, dithecous, tetralobed anthers. So the chromosomes are doubling, thus reducing the time required by production of the debris. Uncovering mutations are responded. So organ culture, this is also called organ. Shooting apical meristem culture. Production of the various free germplasm, mass production. So it can diversify global genotypes. So this solo culture is also important of shooting culture. Somatic embryogenesis. Twofold NAA, anyone. So this can induce to the explant a culture medium to give rise a green color buds that is called somatic embryos. So one major pathway of regeneration, mass multiplication, production of the artificial seeds as a sources of material for embryogenic protoplast. So amenable to the merchandisation and other bioreactors. So this is also embryogenic culture system for a visit initiation from the leaves on inhibitor mediate. So first one leaf expands, second one embryogenic arrays, so third one embryogenic development. So this is also organ culture. So this organ culture is also introduced by the only not only food. So one major path of the regeneration, mass multiplications. So coefficient germplasm and 8 others. So normal for or sub-zero temperatures. Callus culture. In some instances, are necessary go to the through a callus phase prior to regeneration via somatic embryos or organ generation. Callus is which can green color are the heart-shaped structures of the callus which can affect the more number of seeds formations. For generation of usable somoclonal variations as a source of protoplast and suspension cultures for production of the metabolites usually inhibitor selection. So these are also initiation from the stamens and pistils. Stamens means male reproductive, pistil means female. So this is also isolated from the stamen explant. Stamen explant is also cultures are there. So this is also callus formation from 22. So this is also called so callus interaction is in this one type knowledge. In vitro mutagenic genetic transformation. In vitro mutation means suddenly changes. In vitro means in the tissue culture. In tissue tubes or biotechnology under the experiment that the plant part is also improve the improvement of the mutagenic characters or distinct characters. Introduction of the foreign DNA to general novel. So, hurry diseases of a host expands can be used depending on the plant species and its forward methods of micropropagation. So, this is also genetic transformation. So, the genes are transferred into the directly up to group of cells. The GTV is also important for the identification of this color position disease resistant, insect resistant, salinity resistant, heavy metal tolerance, improve nutrition character. This is also application. So in the more than 50 biotic food producers have been approved for the commercial use in the United States. So canola 5%, corona or corn 21%, cotton 12%, papaya and other advantages. So food advantages, food quality, food quantity, eco-friends. So then the limitation means a recent scientist advances of the tangible benefits so may not be in long term. So this is also important topic for the explanation of a tissue culture and their techniques.